Teacher's Day. When alphabets were alien to me, you were there. When my hands shook while writing, you took them to your care. The times when you taught me how to stand in a queue, the manners with which I speak today, is only because of you. You held me when the winds blew strong, and the way you punished me when I went wrong. You are the reason why I am me today. So why should I dedicate to you just this day? For me, every moment is a teacher's day.
You wrote black and white, you brought color in my life. Teachers are the special blessing from God to us. They are the one who build a good nation and make our world a better living place. They are the most respected people in our society as they elevate the living standard of a people. They are the building block of our society who educate people and make them a better human being. The teachers teaches us the importance of a pen over that the sword. And last, I would like to conclude my video and thanking all my amazing teachers. A very happy Teachers Day.
So according to me, a teacher is a person who shared their knowledge, virtue or experiences with other students. A teacher has the ability to develop relationships with other students, like they're willing to help them if they're in trouble. And the most important, a teacher has a kind, patient and caring personality.
My future depends on today's, and my today's depends on my teachers, who help me to be gentle in knowledge and social discovery. Thank you, teachers, for everything.
A teacher is a person who helps his students to become a good human before a good student. Better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher. Happy Teachers Day, all of you.
The teacher is a friend and guide of our life, who also impacts good values in us. Teachers take their best efforts to turn the students into responsible citizens. Teachers play a very important role in each one of our lives. Teachers is a God in my lives and other lives.
A teacher is a person who does not teach us, but tell us that who we are. A teacher is a person who always behind the success of a student. A teacher is a person who put his or her whole life in encouraging his or her student. A teacher is a person who wants to see his or her student success. And just because of teachers, the students get to know what is the quality in him. Thank you.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. According to this paragraph and according to me, Guru is a person, creator is like Brahma, Guru is the preserver like Vishnu, Guru is the destroyer like Maheshwara, Guru is the absolute means singular. Lord himself gives salutation to that Shri Guru. Guru is a person who share all knowledge to their children and do not hesitate. Thank you.
Teacher is the only person who gives you not only the knowledge but gives inspiration to live. He is the meaning of my success in life. My teacher encouraged me in my difficulties to come over them. Teacher is the only person who can help you to lead the life in a better way by sharing his experiences. A student may forget his teacher, but a teacher never forget his student. Yes, I mean, teacher's blessing will always with his students.
Parents give birth to a child personality and provide a bright future. But teachers stand by at every step to become better in life.
Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. रास्ते तुमने भरे, मुट्ठी में ख्वाबों की जुगनू रखे, गम छुपा के अपने खुशियों का पता दिया, कर्ज ये हम कैसे चुकाएंगे भला। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया। क्लासरूम जब गुम थे खोली तुमने ही खिड़कियां, वेलकम जिंदगी को हमें करना सिखा दिया। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया। गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Namaste and good morning to the principals and my teachers. I am a student of the class 7th C. Welcome speech on the Teacher's Day. A warm and the helpful welcome to the respected principal ma'am, my fellow students and the star of the day, my dear teachers. Teacher's Day is the most crucial occasion in the every student's life. Teacher's Day commemorated on the 5th of the September on the birthday of Dr. Saifullah Radhakrishnan. As Joyce Mayer rightly quoted, teachers can change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. Thank you.
Every time I look back on this road, you'll always be a part of who I am. Everything I've known, every seed of greatness you have sown through good and bad, your love has watched me grow. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, in my heart you'll always stay. In this moment let me say how I am grateful every day you're here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. In this moment let me say you turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams awake with you. All that I can be means so much 'cause you believed in me. You show me how to live with dignity. When the lessons end, I can share with you just like a friend. Your loving smiles and frowns keep me safe. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, in my heart you'll always stay. In this moment let me say how I am grateful every day you're here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. In this moment let me say you turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams awake with you.
I am guardian of Krishna, class 7th, KBS Pitampura. I would like to thank you all class teachers, principals and technical staff who have contributed their efforts to my child education in this pandemic. And this online classes, class tests, all other activities, sports activities and extracurriculum are so fabulous that my child is feeling like there is still in school. Thank you.
Hello, good morning all. I'm father of Riya. She is studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya Pitampura in 7th standard. as you all are aware about the situation going nowadays due to this COVID-19, in this situation, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the teachers for the efforts they are putting in together to teach our children. I really appreciate their efforts. They are doing a great job. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ashanya's mommy. I would really like to appreciate all the school teachers and the entire management for making students learn the new way of learning, especially during this challenging situation. You guys are actually doing a very good job and keep it up, and thanks for making learning so easy.
मैं 7th बी अंशिका कटारिया की मम्मा बोल रही हूँ, मिसेस कविता। मेरी बेटी KVP प्रीतमपुरा में पढ़ती है। लॉकडाउन की वजह से स्कूल्स बंद हैं, इसीलिए बच्चों को पढ़ाई में प्रॉब्लम थी, लेकिन जो ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट की है स्कूल वालों ने, ये बहुत अच्छी है, जिससे हमारे बच्चे पढ़ पा रहे हैं, एग्ज़ाम दे पा रहे हैं, टीचर्स बहुत अच्छी से पढ़ा रही हैं। मैंने खुद अपने बच्चे के साथ बैठ के ये क्लासेस ज्वाइन करके देखी हैं। सभी टीचर्स, ऑल टीचर्स बच्चों को बहुत अच्छी से समझा रहे हैं, पढ़ा रहे हैं, उनके एग्जाम ले रहे हैं। हमारे बच्चों की पढ़ाई में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रही है, इसीलिए थैंक यू मैम, ऑल ऑफ टीचर्स।
I am Prashant, uncle of Prateek Dubey. I think learning is more effective when it is inactive rather than a passive process. I am thankful for the all teachers who are work dedicatedly and support the student in pandemic COVID situation. Thank you, teachers.
I'm mother of Vansh Radav, student of 7th P, KB Pitampura. All teachers are doing awesome efforts by providing online classes in such an effective manner, which gives us great satisfaction. They are really true facilitators for our children. My sincere thanks and regards to all the teachers. Thank you so much, all of you.
I am mother of Sahil Sharma, teacher of heroes in this pandemic time of COVID, who are distributing nourishment of education to our kids with their knowledge, patience and their guidance. Thanks all teachers.
Hello ma'am, happy Teachers Day. Ma'am, there is a line for you, and this is my personal opinion, but I think it's same with all of our class. Beauty with brain, and I think you are a perfect example for it. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day once again.
Good morning teachers. Happy Teachers Day to you all. I am Arashresht of class 7C. Now I am reciting a small rhyme in front of you. I hope you like it. Happy Teachers Day to you. Happy Teachers Day to you. For all who came to me to teach how paths that through. Thank you.
People will leave, but your teachings will stay. To all my teachers, parents, friends who have taught me something in some way, all that I have to say is Happy Teachers Day.